Have you ever wondered how to choose the right soil for your plants? It's a question that stumps many a green thumb, newbies and seasoned gardeners alike. The secret lies in understanding your plant's needs. Well, you're in the right place to find out. The health and growth of your plants depend largely on the soil they're planted in. Soil provides your plants with essential nutrients, water, and air, acting as their life source. The wrong soil can hinder growth and even lead to plant disease, so it's crucial to pick the right soil for your plants. Generally, soils are classified into 3 types: sandy, loamy, and clay. Sandy soil is loose and fast-draining, but it's not great at holding on to nutrients. Loamy soil, on the other hand, is a gardener's dream. It's fertile, drains well, and retains moisture. Clay soil is dense and slow-draining, which can lead to waterlogging, but it's rich in nutrients. Understanding these types will help you make an informed choice. Different plants have different soil needs. Just as we humans have our favorite meals, plants have their preferred soil types. For instance, succulents and cacti favor sandy soil due to its excellent drainage. On the other hand, clay soil, with its slow drainage and high nutrient content, is a favorite of roses. Loamy soil is the jack of all trades of soils, suitable for most plants due to its balanced drainage and nutrient content. Matching the soil to your plant's needs is key to a healthy garden. Choosing the right soil might seem daunting, but it's really all about understanding your plant's needs. Remember, the perfect soil is just a blend away. Don't be afraid to experiment and learn. We've covered the importance of soil, various types, and how to match them to your plants. You're well on your way to becoming a soil expert. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips.